Hello, today let's learn how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any data. All you need is one simple command prompt method. First, you will need the Windows 11 ISO file. If you don't already have it, you can download it directly from the official Microsoft website. I already have the ISO file, so I will go straight to my Downloads folder. Now, right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. Once the ISO opens, go to the folder address bar at the top, click on it, type CMD, and press Enter. Command prompt will now open inside the Setup folder. Now, type the following command exactly as shown on the screen, and hit Enter. This will start the Windows 11 installation by bypassing the TPM and system restrictions. Now, follow the installation process as shown on the screen. And make sure to select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Your system will now begin upgrading to Windows 11. It may restart several times, so do not turn off your computer. Once the installation is complete, Windows 11 will boot up successfully with all your files and applications still intact. And that's it. Windows 11 has been installed without losing your data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials. Goodbye.